What's up, my fellow fossil hunters? People are always asking me about how I make my shark tooth jewelry. I make necklaces, earrings, and all sorts of stuff. A little sample of some of the necklaces and stuff that we make out of shark's teeth. People are always interested in that, so we decided that we were going to do a quick tutorial here today on how to do a simple wire wrap. Let's get these out of the way. We're going to start with this beautiful, beautiful extinct snaggletooth. The species is actually called a Hemiprystis cera, short for serrated. It is an extinct shark, as I mentioned. And we're going to start with a basic 24 gauge wire. 22, 24, both work really well for what we're going to do. And we've got three basic tools. We've got a set of nips, a set of bailers, and then some square-tipped pliers. You'll see some other various tools in the background, but we don't really use those very often. So we're going to start by cutting a piece of wire, roughly 5 to 6 inches in length. And we're going to find that basic middle spot with our baler here. We're going to slide that up about halfway up the baler. It depends on what size of a cord you're going to be using as to how big of a bail you need. That's the opening where the string or wire or necklace part will go through. We're going to pinch that in the middle, and we're going to wrap each side over. So you're going to have a loop there, and you're going to have a little crisscross both sides over. We're going to kind of pull that like that. We're going to take the baler out from that loop where it's in the middle, and now we're going to put it to the bottom of the baler like so. So now it will be sitting on the bottom of the baler. We're going to pull these two wires really tightly, and we're going to begin to twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've given that 5 twists on the bottom of the baler. I'm going to pull it out of the baler now so you can kind of get an idea of what it's looking like here. You've got your bail where your cord will go through. You've got about 5 nice tight twists where you're going to do the final wrapping on the tooth. Take the tooth, position that bottom of the twist right there at the top of that tooth and pinch it tightly. Pull your other wires out about the position that you think you're going to want them in. So we're going to start with this one here on the right.